Good morning, children. As we were doing coordinate geometry, in this section we have read the Cartesian plane, axis, coordinate axis, how to find the coordinate of a point which lies in any quadrant, means that when two axes intersect each other at origin, they divide the whole plane into four quadrants. We know that the sign convention of the each coordinate in each quadrant. So we have done. Then we have already find the position of the point in the Cartesian plane. Now today we will take the exercise. This is first exercise 3.1. We solve the questions. The first question. The question says, how will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table to another person? So let me take the shape of the table. Table is rectangular, so we make a rectangle here. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangular table. This is the top of the table. Then we see this point is where this lamp and this braid intersect. That considered as origin. This horizontal line we consider as x-axis, and this vertical line we consider as y-axis. Suppose our table is here. The perpendicular distance of the table lamp, this is lamp. The perpendicular distance of the lamp from the x-axis and from y-axis. We just assume it because actually the actual position is not given in the question. So we take this distance, suppose 15 centimeter, and this distance is suppose 20 centimeter. This distance is describe the y coordinate and this distance describe the x coordinate. On the basis of this figure, we describe the length to the another person, the coordinate of length. That is also considered as the position of the coordinate or position of the length. That is x coordinate is first, that is 15, 20. This way we can explain or describe the position of the table leg to another person. Now we come to the next question. The next question is a street plan. Children, remember this thing. We are just considering that one single line. Suppose these two roads running this way. The two roads. Question number 2. Two roads runs to east-west direction and north-south direction. Okay. Both the roads intersect at the center of the city. This is center of the city. Which is considered as origin. Now, we have to assume here the length of road, breadth of road is 200 meter. This 200 meter we consider one division or one single line, one single line. As 200 meter. So we will not make the street like this or roads like this. Okay, this is not, will not show the breadth of that. This both the roads and streets are breadthless. Okay, so we will see the city plan. The 5 roads, 5 streets from this part and 5 from this part will intersect and they will be crossed to each other. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are streets. These are streets. Just a minute there. Streets. And this side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are also streets. Likewise, we can draw here in this quadrant, here in this quadrant, here is this quadrant. So we have a complete street plan. Street plan. You join it. This is first street, second street, third street, fourth street, and fifth street. This street crosses each other. These are the point of intersection of both the streets. Here, here, here. These are the point of crosses of each street. So there are many cross street in your model. A particular cross street is made by two streets. This is a cross street which is made by one this street and one this street. Likewise, this also. Okay, so in this part, if we have drawn the plan into the first part, first quadrant, there will be number of cross streets. So now you have to do, if the second street running in the north-south direction and fifth in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we will be this cross street is 2, 5. Second street and fifth street, this part is, suppose we consider as 1, or we can take any alphabetical name, that is P. So P has the coordinate as 2, 5. Likewise, using this convention, and you show that how many cross street can be referred as 4, 3. 4, that is 4 on x-axis and 3 is on. So this is our Q part. Okay, so Q has the coordinate 4, 3, and this cross street only 1 in this plan. Okay, there will be one cross. There will be one cross street in the plan. Okay. Now the second part is how many cross streets can be referred to as 3, 4. 3 is the third street and 4th is this cross. This is your R part. So R has the coordinate as 3, 4, and there will be only one cross street in plan. Okay. So this way we can show it. So major thing in this plan, we have to show every street and every cross road with a single line. Okay, so no, don't think this will be a road and that is a one street. This is one street. Okay, this is road. This is one street. This is second street, third street, fourth street, fifth street. Likewise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this way we will solve this question. Okay, dear.